afternoon. Ooh, that's loud. It's loud up here. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. John Belkowitz. We got a Q&A day today. We've been playing with some concrete, having a little bit too much fun getting water everywhere. But now we got to get down to the brass tacks of Q&A Wednesday. Ooh, that was a good control. That was good control. So Lee and Amanda Thrasher, Lee Thrasher, thank you, sir. You are an awesome person doing awesome things for our industry. Will you be doing a Colloidal Silica Week for 2019? Heck yeah, and it's going to be sponsored by the Colloidal Silica and Concrete Association. Thank you for sponsoring that Colloidal Silica and Concrete Association. More news will be brought on that, but it'll be well into November that we'll be doing that, starting that, the plans for that, and we'll be getting you more information as it comes down the chute. No pun intended. Vlog requests are all commercially... Can we do a separate video?
Yeah.
So, hey, thanks for that question, Lee. So, won't be seeing you at ACI, but I'm excited to chat with you. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go, go, great!